Crypto Jimbo here today. My mom has never really touched crypto her whole life. Shout out to my mom. But I'm pretty sure even she could create a cryptocurrency token right now. That sounds crazy, but that's exactly what Grape has done. And the Grape token that's powering it is sitting at $7 right now. I did a video a couple weeks ago where I'm literally creating a crypto token on the blockchain, contracts and everything with just AI prompts. No code, no developers, just a sentence, and this is live. And nobody's really talking about this too much. But again, I've been deep in crypto for many years now, for better or for worse. 99% of tokens are doing absolutely nothing. It's speculative at best. Buy our token. We have this great roadmap. We're going to do this, this, and this. Then the team disappears. The company goes out of business. They don't achieve their goals. Sometimes it's negligence. Sometimes it's, straight just scamming. But there's not a lot of real stuff actually being built. And the market knows this. That's why everything's been sideways or down recently. People are tired of just, we're going to build this, and then nothing happens. So again, that's what interests me in Grape. I did a video a few weeks ago. I built a crypto token in 5 minutes with AI, and a lot of people like that. A lot of people asked me about this. So wanted to dive into Grape a little bit more and their token. First off, this AI builder is live on their mainnet right now. So you type in a prompt, it creates tokens, it builds ICO websites, deploys everything on chain, no coding required. I built the James token and I built, this guitar token and whatever tokens you want to build. Super easy now here on Grape. So, and this is built on Vine, which is a DAG. It's a direct acyclic graph, acyclic graph. Say that 10 times fast. But you experienced on Ethereum some slowdown this week. That's because most blockchains slow down as more people use them. That makes sense. Ethereum gets expensive. Bitcoin gets clogged up. But Grape does the opposite. So every active user node adds about 1,000 transactions per second. So more users each actually makes it faster. And that opens up a lot of possibilities for building things on this type of blockchain. So Grape is not stopping at building tokens. They're building Web3 apps, NFTs, marketplace, financial applications, all created with AI prompts. So I'm really excited about the future of Grape Wallet. But not excited just about the future, excited about what they've done already. So if you want to, collect vintage baseball cards, type in, go to their builder, build me a marketplace where users list cards, set prices, buy with escrow protection, and have a working storefront. Enter. So you don't need a developer, you don't need a $30,000 budget, no 6-month timeline, just a sentence here. Or you want to build a game. Imagine typing, create an RPG where players fight monsters, earn tokens for winning battles, and then you have it. So again, right now, building on the blockchain costs tens of thousands of dollars and takes months. Grape is trying to get that down to just a few Grape tokens and a few minutes. So in about $7 token price. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. None of this is advice. But this is a relaunch. This is not a brand new product. So back when crypto was blowing up and everybody was going crazy, Grape was at over $1,000. And then they lost a lot of that, which most projects did. We've seen that a lot. But then they rebuilt everything. And back then they had zero features. It was all speculative. Now they actually have things and they've started to come back. So shout out to them. And the Grape token is the access to their features. So like Builder AI. But currently sitting at $7. I'll leave a link. Again, this is speculative. GRP could go to $20. It could go to $2. We don't know. Neither does anybody else. But I like what they're building. You need the token to access what they're building. Do your own research, not financial advice. So I've got links in the description. I'll leave a link if you want to buy some of the GRP token. I'll also leave a link to the Builder AI. And let me know if you want me to dive into this more, show what else it can build. I've been really enjoying it. I started as more of a crypto channel, and then I kind of have moved more AI. But this is crypto meets AI. So seems perfect. Appreciate you guys very much. Please like and subscribe. God bless you all, and have a great rest of your day.